Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cars Wars Pack. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic vehicles in the United States, the 2025 Ford F-150. Known for its power, versatility, and innovation, the F-150 continues to dominate the pickup truck segment, and this year's updates make it even more exciting. Let's explore everything you need to know about this legendary truck. The 2025 Ford F-150 brings subtle but impactful changes to its exterior design, starting with a refreshed front fascia that boasts a bold grille and sleek LED headlights. The aerodynamic improvements not only enhance the truck's appearance but also contribute to better fuel efficiency. Ford has also introduced two new color options this year, Marsh Gray and Space White Metallic, replacing Avalanche and Darkened Bronze Metallic. These additions, combined with classic colors like Agate Black and Atlas Blue, give buyers more ways to customize their truck's look. Under the hood, the 2025 F-150 continues to offer a variety of powertrain options, ensuring there's a model for every need. You can choose from the base 3.3 liters V6, the reliable 2.7 liters EcoBoost V6, the powerful 5.0 liters V8, and the range-topping 3.5 liters Power Boost Hybrid. The hybrid version remains a favorite for those seeking both performance and fuel efficiency, delivering impressive towing capabilities without sacrificing economy. The F-150 Raptor and Raptor R models are also back, pushing boundaries with high-performance engines designed for off-road enthusiasts. The interior of the 2025 F-150 is where comfort meets technology. The cabin features high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and state-of-the-art tech to make every drive enjoyable. The 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Ford's Sync 4 software is now standard across most trims, offering seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims add luxury touches like leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and a premium BO sound system. There's also an available work surface feature, perfect for those who use their truck as a mobile office. Ford hasn't held back when it comes to safety and driver assist features. The 2025 F-150 comes equipped with Ford Go-Pilot 360 technology, which includes advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. New for this year is a hands-free driving feature available on select models, allowing for semi-autonomous driving on pre-mapped highways. These features not only enhance convenience but also make the F-150 one of the safest trucks on the road. For those focused on towing and payload, the 2025 F-150 remains a class leader, with a maximum towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 3,300 pounds. This truck is built to handle the toughest jobs. Ford has also introduced an upgraded ProTrailer backup assist system, making it easier than ever to maneuver with a trailer, whether you're a pro or a first-time truck owner. The 2025 Ford F-150 starts at a competitive base price, but as you move up the trims, you unlock an impressive range of features and options. From the rugged XL trim to the luxurious limited model, there's an F-150 for everyone. Whether you're looking for a workhorse, a family vehicle, or an off-road beast, the F-150 lineup has you covered. So, that's everything you need to know about the 2025 Ford F-150. Its combination of power, technology, and versatility ensures it remains a top choice for truck buyers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Cars Wars Pack for more updates on the latest cars and trucks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.